look at you. I hope you know I lose my head. I only know. Damn, banger song, banger song. Cannot cannot stop kind of mousing it a little bit. I can't keep my story straight. Okay, we are. Hold up, I'm gonna like turn it off because like too much of a banger. Your face. Anyway, so we are back to learning HTML. We are about to be finished after like we have just a bunch of labs, quizzes, and a review. Um, I'm I don't even know what's computers gonna entail. Tooling basics. I swear to God, might gonna need to skip the computers part and then go to CSS and so on. But might be our last HTML course. And if it is, HTML stream. And if it is, well, it's very excited. I don't know if I'm gonna like continue the series of like learning to program. Um, I mean, maybe. May- fuck my glasses. I start to take off the glasses before the stream so like my eyes don't get tired as quickly, but then I remember that like I actually can't read without my glasses. Oh god. It's it's not really good figuring out when I blink. My blink is fine, but winking is not really. Sometimes. Sometimes it figures it out. Many users rely on keyboards instead of mice due to physical disability, repetitive strain, injuries, or personal preference. This includes users of screen readers and those who may not have working mouse. Keyboard accessibility ensure these users can navigate web application effectively without barriers. Let's look at some practical techniques you can employ to make web applications keyboard accessible. Many users rely on tab. Wait, didn't we already have this one? We kind of did. Okay, fine. Many users rely on tab key to move through interactive elements on a web page. By default, browser lets users tab through elements like links, buttons, and form fields in order they appear HTML. This is called natural tab order. Sometimes you may want to adjust which elements are focusable or change their focus order. Tab index attribute allows you to do this. Oh, interesting. So tab enter index of 0. So first button, second is the has tab index of 0. Right. Valve tab index determines how elements behave in keyboard navigation. Tab index 0 adds the element to natural tab order. Tab will move focus from button to div, then link following there. There it is. Oh, nice. Click anywhere and then tab. Yeah. -1 makes an element focusable programmatically. This is useful for managing focus in elements that are not normally focusable, such as headings, containers, dialogues, or error messages. Ooh, interesting. It's interesting in the sense that like so like normally you cannot focus on it, but -1 allows you. So essentially, nope, hmm, nope, it doesn't focus actually. What if I remove it? If I remove it, can I give me the same thing? Okay, fine. Um, in this example, paragraph is not part of normal tab order, so users cannot reach it by pressing tab key. However, if you set focus, but we did do this. We literally did it. Shouldn't it focus on like this? No, doesn't work. Okay. However, if you focus to this element via a script, the message will be brought to the user's attention. Oh yeah, wait. You'll learn more about this technique in Java script lessons. Okay. When tab index is greater than 0, it is set to sets a custom tab order, so elements with lower positive value are focused first. In this example, tabin will focus input tab index 1, then 2, then 3. Custom positive values are sometimes used in complex widgets, such as toolbar, where you want a specific navigation order. However, this approach is discouraged because it can make navigation confusing and hard to maintain, especially as page grows or changes. Access key is another attribute you can use to make your web project keyboard accessible. It allows you to define the keys that focuses on or activates a particular element. Here's an interactive example you can try out following the suggestions below. Enable interactive editor. Save, cancel, and home. Okay. Access assign key S to save button. On browser, press an Alt S. And wait. An Alt C for cancel. Wait. No, press the wrong one. Interesting. But why do you need this? Also, like, how would people figure out that it's as Alt S, Alt H, and so on? Allowing users to navigate homepage using Alt H windows. Please note that the exact key combination to activate the access key might vary depending on the browser and operating system. It's typically Alt plus specified key on Windows and Control plus specific on Mac. Okay. The access key attribute can be problematic because it may conflict with existing shortcuts or behave inconsistently across devices and keyboards. And is often not intuitive for users. Yeah, obviously. Like, unless you like write it down on the website, yeah, press Alt S to save. If you choose to use access key, it should be done with clear guidance to users, but in most cases, it's better to avoid access key in websites and web applications. Then why do I need this to know that this exists? So retire the feature, make it like you never need this again. Because clearly you never need this again, right? Another way to make keyboard accessible in your app is to make sure you provide clear focus indicators. If you feel the bold, well, if you feel default browser focus indicator is not enough, you can override by targeting the focus state of an element. Oh, now it's blue. Okay. The outline property is used to define the outline around the element. This example sets outline to solid blue line with 2 pixels set for the thickness. Okay. Yep. The focus indicator should be styled in a way that makes it obvious which element currently has focus. In order to be accessible, the indicator must be minimum color contrast of at least 3:1 with the background color it covers. You should also avoid keyboard traps, which occur when users can't move focus away from a certain element in components like models and pop-ups. I feel like a lot of websites don't follow this because they specifically want you to like, they specifically want you to click on stuff, right? Um, property important when managing keyboard navigation on the web page. Look, I know why, but I have like my skull position very badly. I don't like it. It makes the page load faster. It allows you to control the order in which elements are focused when using the tab key. No essential elements keyboard navigation. How does a key attribute to contribution to the keyboard accessibility on the web page? Enhance visual appearance of the web page. Spread speeds up. Wait, access key is this one, right? Useless, but sure. Fucking useless. That's what it is. Generate shortcut keys for all. No, it allows you to define a specific key that focuses on and activates particular element, which is useless. Why exactly is it important to avoid keyboard traps in a web application? Improves SEO, lets the developer work faster, ensures the page has fewer interactive elements. Just move focus freely from elements like models and pop-ups. Yay, yippee. They have a lot of labs. Cool. Similar to example project. Cool. Wait, left-handed spoon? 299 to 29.99. This is fucking steal. Wow. Um huh. um oh, I don't want this song. Okay. Um what I was gonna say is that uh actually about the traps like this. I have websites that I used to watch like movies on. It's not Netflix. Just told you that once. And every time I would try to watch a movie now, it just like essentially usually the website is built in a way that it's like the way these websites are built is that there's like external essentially link video players and like each one is like its own server, right? And so you click on the server you prefer because like playback you could like adjust playback speed on some like you can put like different subtitles, you know. Some just don't work. Happens when you pirate stuff. But for their reason, the currently the one that works for me is also like a massive fucking trap. So essentially, like you click on the you click on the episode, you start like watching the episode, and you're trying to make it bigger. You know, you're adjusting the time, and every single time you're trying to adjust something and click anywhere near the screen, it immediately sends you to like some sort of fucking other website, and that pisses me off. It's a common thing in pirating website that kind of like bothers me a little bit less, but also it kind of pisses me off because it's like I can't click anywhere. Like anywhere I click, it always takes me like to external websites that get blocked by my browser automatically. Um, yeah. You should have an H1 with text checkout. H1 checkout. You should have two section elements immediately after H1. I don't need the two. The captain section. You should have an H2 element with text your card or card. Also H2. No, H2. H2. Um, and H1 here. You have an image of an item in the first section with appropriate alternate text. You can use image. Okay. Image of an item in the first section. No, wait. They didn't say where exactly I should have a section of your card, right? Oh no, okay. I guess I was right. Image. Right. Sorry. You just have an H2 element with text payment information, which is probably in the second section. H2. Payment information. H2. Oop. Wait, it's actually a closed thing, or I think it's not. You might need to have a close and sync for the section, which means that it just you should have a form element with second section. Form. Hey KJ, we're just out here practicing our HTML. How are you doing, KJ? H2 payment element form. Yeah. In input with ID name card name. Okay. Aw, wait, what game did you lose? Was it Dota? Was it Dota 2 again? You lost the Dota 2 game? I actually had a great winning streak on Marvel Rivals. I like I had only one really bad game where essentially damn this funky song. But well, I was gonna say like one game where essentially we had 3 insta lock DPS. It's like a Squid Game. One more game. What? Is the name One More Game? Or is it you're talking about? Okay, is there like a game called One More Game, or are you talking about this movie? Which the fuck is this? Riot Europe stop esports. Oh no, I mean, no, I get this meme because and he yells, "I play this." Oh, okay. I got you. So sorry, I did not understand the reference. Yeah. Usually when a friend invites you, and like he's like one more game, and you're like, fuck, I gotta do one more game. I mean, I cannot say no to a friend asking me for one more game. I would for sure. Um, I am given in immediately for sure. Card number. I cannot say no to one more game. I had like one bad game where essentially all of my teammates. This is the 20th game we've lost, babe. Dang. 20th 20 games in a row is fucking atrocious. I'm not gonna lie. That's a KD that I cannot wish on anybody. I had like 6 game losing streaks for sure, but 20, that's nightmare. A span element with ARIA hidden set to true inside a label element. Yes, I actually don't understand. What? Span element with a text and ARIA hidden element true inside the label element for each required input. Oh, okay, okay. If I lose 20 games in a row, I think it's time for Igadas. 20 games in a row. It's time to like retire. It's time like I'm putting my badge, my gun in a bag, you know, on the table. You're not gonna see me. You're not gonna see me continuing the game. I'm gonna be like, yo, I need like a break. Clearly something is fucked. Um Time to leave home, work in the woods like a monk. Yeah. Bro, time to like try like if I'm losing 20 games in a row, I'm like switching to clearly there's like other games that I should be pursuing. Clearly I should be going after like fucking Animal Crossing or something, you know. Clearly high octane games are no longer my thing. It's for the youngings. I'm an old man. I'm washed. I'm cooked. I'm chopped. Okay. I'm fried. Um, I'm sautéed and with a little bit of garlic. Okay. So that's the first thing. Um, tick, 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 tick. I actually had a conversation with my mom today, which kind of in the middle of it, we started. Well, I started to shout because essentially we were gonna talk. My mom was showing off her points of views on LGBTQ and so on and so forth, and like by far she's more liberal than some people, but not as liberal and as I would like desire. And like as the conversation went for like people who kind of look androgynous and like in between the binary, I was gonna talk about it with her until she like interrupted me, and then I started to shout because I was like, why the fuck do you interrupt me in the middle of my fucking explanation? Like you can't just interrupt a motherfucker, okay? Like this is fucking so mean. Is it ref? It was so rude. We're still talking about Dota, right? Micro heroes is the ones that are more complex because like they have like tight. I actually don't know. Can you explain to me what micro heroes mean and what other types of heroes can you expect on in Dota? Am I doing this wrong? Didn't this show an image? No, no, no. It's not. Can't say image then. Micro heroes are heroes that have you control several units at once. Okay. Wait, you can control multiple units in Dota? We're still talking about Dota, right? I didn't know about that. Okay, okay, that's wrong. That's not how it's supposed to be working. Huh. That. Yeah, let's see if there is a clue. Form. Wait, what? Where is? I forgot how to input images. Adding images to HTML. Well, one is a Warcraft 3 mod, so Dota 2 has a lot of RTS elements. Okay. Interesting. Fuck, it's image. Okay, that explains it. Image. Not a whole image. Yeah, that still didn't help me. Wait, is it supposed to be image equals? No, it's not that either. Oh, source. Cinema. Um, image source. Okay, interesting. Have you tried actual RTS games, or have you only played Dota? Because I actually don't get it. Like, what the fuck is Dota? If it's a Warcraft 3 mod, and it's essentially has a lot of RTS stuff. Yeah, I like StarCraft. Oh, just yesterday I had a guy who was talking a lot about who was essentially played Star. He's a big fan of StarCraft 2. That's pretty cool. Actually, was discussing about you're terrible at this, but it's fun. Have you um have you tried other? I mean, well, it's not me like whenever I ask about like if person tried like X when I know that they like Y, just I'm trying to figure out if they tried other things. So like StarCraft, there's like other real time RTS like RTS games, right? Real time strategy games. Like there is Warhammer, Warhammer RTS. There's plenty of them actually. Yeah, Dawn of War, Warhammer 40,000. There is one for fantasy I know. I actually know. I actually have a friend who was playing Dawn of War, not the Dawn of War, but like the fantasy version of Warhammer RTS games, and we actually were bonding over playing over being fans of Warhammer. But then he was like, do you play like a RTS game? And I'm like, no, no, you will not see me playing that. So sadly, I'm not patient enough for real life strategy games. I need somebody to put a gun in my hands, and like allow me to kill some of the enemies in the first place. Okay, your card, payment information, form. The form element was in the second section. Form. How do you do this again? Fuck. So you should have an input. Oh wait, because it's like straight up input, right? Input. Well, someday you'll achieve 500 AMP like those StarCraft pros. AMP? What does this mean? What does 500? Are you threatening me? 500 AMP StarCraft. Action per minute. Okay. Interesting. To be fair, when playing as a rogue in Marvel Rivals, it does feel like I'm spamming like 300 million actions per second because it's all like combo moves over combo moves. They have like 500 AMP. Basically, your screen looks like you're having a seizure. Right now, when I'm playing Marvel Rivals, it already looks like I'm having a seizure. Okay, like there's so much glitter. Sometimes there's now two characters that can make you go blind. Okay, and one of them can make you go blind because you're just standing next to somebody they're healing. Okay, but 200, looking at 200 units at once. You will never have me playing an RTS game. RTS game, no, thank you. That's what I said. Um, input. Oh, like, yeah, just like you can only strategize with yourself. Okay, that's the part that I like more about. Having multiple people at the same time. Hell no. Oh fuck, one of them is supposed to be card number. But I was gonna say, Marvel Rivals now the fact that like they added Jubilee, and one of her abilities is to turn people blind. Okay, and it's fucking with me so much because I will be attacking a motherfucker. One's characters already are enough to learn. Imagine like 5 at once. Yeah, I can imagine. But like there is like I'll be fighting a guy, and then Jubilee throws her fucking balls at me and blinds me, and now I cannot see anything. Okay, what can I do? Okay, I get blinded so much. Um, yum. Yeah. Well, to be fair, if you've seen Jubilee, that's a yum. Jubilee. Uh, Marvel Rivals. Her name is actually Jubilation, which is a crazy. Who names somebody Jubilation? Check this bitch out. Hell yeah. Well, I mean, they're very close enough. Jollibee, Jubilee, you know. You know, she's a single mother. Was me, she would be a single mother of 2, actually. I'm not saying. She's a single mother of 1. I'll make her single mother of 2. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. ID. Okay. Is label gonna be? I shouldn't know what label would be. But yeah, type text. Oops. Let's copy and paste text. I think I had Jollibee. It was alright. If I'm not wrong, I think I had it. I shouldn't remember. I know Jollibee is the one with a fucking was literally a B on it, but Jolene Blalock? Interesting. Jolie B. Jollibee? Yeah, this bitch. I remember this bitch. It's alright. But I remember there was this one. So for a little while, I lived in Dubai. Okay. And one time my friend took me out. Well, took me out. Like invited me to like a food court place because it was a very unique. Um, it was a very like it was one. There was like one restaurant Okay, it wasn't a franchise, it was one restaurant. Okay, but it was like in the food court, and it had the best fucking fried chicken I ever had in my life. I was like, holy shit, this is great. And I had to like search up like if there's like other franchises, and there's like a couple of them in Middle East, but like none of them in Europe here, which fucking sucks because I'm not going back to Dubai to eat the fucking fried chicken. I'm not going back to Dubai in general, so you know. You should include span element with text asterisk and area hidden set to true inside the label element for each required input. Well, let me see example. So asterisk, card holder asterisk. Mm-hmm. It can be this way, right? Card holder. What the fuck did I do? Oh, Jesus Christ. Card number. Yeah. Oh, card holder name. Fiery. Wait. Then with text asterisk and area hidden set to true inside the label element for each. Oh, right. It's supposed to be a label. Label? Trying to figure this shit out. I'm kind of confused for sure. Wait, label an open one or no? Sure not. Label. I can't remember this text. I'm not sure what the fuck it means. You should have key element with help text that explains the required card number format. Placed immediately after the card number input. The P should have an ID of card number help and be referenced by card number input area descriptor. The card number has a P text. P. And obviously closing P. They want text inside of it, so whatever. The P should have an ID of card number help. ID. Be referenced by card number. So ref equals area described by. Am I wrong? I don't know. You should include span element with text and area hidden set to true inside the label element for each required input so that required fields are visually indicated. Wait, shouldn't I just put like required? I forgot how to spell required. I think. Yeah, I misspelled required. Ah, fuck. Um, unless they don't. Applying span and array hidden. It's not supposed to be a ref. It's just supposed to be the area described by. And then this would be area hidden. And it's also here, area hidden and uh in HTML. Just give me a fucking text. Oh, it's not a reserved character. Okay, then fuck me. I know if I'm wrong or if I'm right. We're gonna find out later. Check my code. Tell me what's wrong. You should have at least one image with alternate text in your first section. Yes, of course. Okay. Um alt Rubik Rubik cubic bitch. Good. All of your input elements that aren't type of submit should have a label element associated with them. What? Are they not? Not exactly. I mean, I know there is like a method for it, but I mean, like if you give me a Rubik's cube, I'll fuck around with it a little bit, but I will not be able to put it back to um, no, I don't know. Oh fuck, is label inside? Yeah, yeah. I feel like that's a limit for a normal person. That's a limit for an average person, you know, doing it on by themselves. No, I don't think that's right. Oh, fuck. Rubik's Cubix. Bitch. Type text. Yeah, yeah. You should include span element with text inside the label element for each required input. I might need to like catch up on what the fuck label element is then. What is label element in HTML? Provides caption or description for a form control such as input text areas or select. Okay. It is critical for um, label for email. Oh, okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Now I figured it out. Label for um card name. Yeah. Hey Niles, how's it going? What do you mean it takes you back? You also were studying HTML? If so, that's cool. I'm um I'm just learning for now. Also when I'm finished with learning HTML, I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue with learning like programming on stream or if I'm gonna be continuing it by myself uh without the audience. HTML is a good entrance, I think. Is it? Is HTML a good entrance? Also now, how's it going? Did we solve the label part? I think we did solve the label part at least. Um, card number. Fuck it. It would be nicer if I could clean up my own text. This fucking sound good. You should include span element with text inside the label element for each required input. Yeah. Do they expect me an actual? Because I just searched it up. Like this is. Fuck it. I'm just gonna give them a code. Maybe that's what they want. They want the code. May not. Education stuff, just HTML, Python, and CSS mostly. I mean, that sounds like the what we're on the path on because we started in HTML. The next thing is gonna be CSS, and then they're not gonna teach us Python, I think, but they're gonna be teaching us Java. But I just like to self-develop, even so I am stupid. Your span element should have area hidden set to true. Yeah, we do have area hidden, right? Yeah. True. Oh, misspelled. True. Where is the other area hidden? Do you have much interest in coding, Niles, or was it just like something you did for school? Okay, so we solved this, but your span element should have area hidden. Wait, I thought that's what I just did. Wait, you should include span element. Oh, you motherfucker. Okay, okay. I think I figured out what they wanted me to do, and now I feel stupid. So this entire thing should be here. Span. Control C. This one I'm gonna remove. Hmm. And could span element with the text inside the label element. It is easier when you do your own websites out of your own interest for sure. I enjoy making stuff, but I lose like 60% of knowledge after a few months. Yeah, yeah, that's relatable. I get that. I actually was talking to my mom today, and apparently she's well, we're both studying like a language, right? I'm studying German because I'm living in Germany. My mom studies French because well she lives with a Frenchman. But because of that, um, my mom was talking about the fact that she actually keeps like forgetting stuff that she learned because mostly because it seems like she's better memorizing stuff when she has to like write down the thing. When I don't particularly see the difference in writing down. I do get occasional like slip up where I kind of like forget because I get like new information, and the new information I find more important than the previous one. So like then they're gonna ask me again, I'm gonna I don't remember. But your card number input should have area described by set to card number help. Mm-hmm. Area described by. But right now, on this long journey of studying, bitch, what am I doing wrong? On this long journey of studying HTML, I did forget a lot of stuff. Like Masel, if you don't use it, you'll forget. Well, the thing is, my mom does use it. She's like, she literally lives with a Frenchman and she's speaking. I'm in Germany and speak German. Hey, Niles. Okay, listen, buddy. They're for bikes. No one forgets how to ride bikes, right? I don't know. That's dependent. Like I found out I actually don't know how to ride bikes. I I rode the bike in general like 4 times in my life. Okay, and like I think I can hold the balance. But one time was riding a bike in front of my ex, and she was like, "You don't know how to ride the bike." She looked at me and she was like, "You don't know how to ride the bike. This is actually like you look like you're about to like hit people. Like, this is not good." Um I haven't rode the bike in like 10 years. I feel like I could ride one right now. Well, congratulations. But what I was gonna say is that Niles, I live in Germany. I don't speak German because here's the thing: I'm not German. Okay, I'm not fucking German. I cannot speak fucking German. You piece of shit. So difficult. This language is so fucking made up because so many words got loaned by English. So whenever like I'm learning a new word, it's like rolling the dice on either it's a new word where it's like fucking honking house or stuff like that, or it's a fucking loan word from English, so it's like bureau means office. Wow, it fucking pisses me off. I haven't rolled about it like the only thing changing is the energy to be. Hmm. What am I doing wrong with this? Span element HTML. Generic non-semantic inline non-semantic, huh? Show me how to span class highlight. Der die das is even bad for German teenagers. Here's the thing, I the der die das is relatively less difficult because I'm Ukrainian, okay? And like in English, you kind of like forget about the fact that there is like genders to the table and whatever else. But in Ukrainian, there is genders, okay? And all the genders are kind of baked in. There is no like a prefix to figure out the gender. You just kind of have to know the gender of the table. You know that the gender of the table is he, So, so, and like there's like 70% chance that if something is like a specific gender in Ukrainian, it's the same gender in German. So I most of the time just kind of guess stuff. I kind of go like der Tisch, der Tisch, die Lampe, stuff like that, because the lamp is kind of sounds female. Table is sounds male to me. Um. So in that sense, with that I have like like less difficulty, I think. And is that how it's supposed to be? Yeah. To be fair, I feel like sometimes you can just skip the der die das, right? I feel like you can, right? You can, like like how often do you actually not just skip it in natural language? I feel like you can. At least if I was like a German teenager and they asked me direction, I would be like, yeah, just over there, and I kind of like skip the part. Wouldn't you skip it? When did we miss? Oh, this one. Okay. Area described by card number help. Is it not set already to that? Area described by? Show to me in lame email input type email area described by email help. Mm-hmm. Some leave it out rarely. Huh. Okay, well, I mean, I guess I'll be like one of the rare cases. I'll be one of the rare cases who's gonna be like, yo, I'm just gonna leave out the dirty dust. Fuck you. Actually, I just remembered this funny ass memory. Share it away, KJ. Um. Okay. So let's analyze the code. So we have first H1 element checkout your card, which is H2 element, pretty easy. Image source is this one. Image source alt is describing the title Rubik's Cube is bitch. Then another one, H2 payment information. Then form gets tell us the memory. Hey William. Label for card name. My friend was riding in the back and his handlebar just came off and he crashed into someone's car and we both ran away like, oh, that's that would be funnier as a video. I'm not gonna lie. That would be funnier as kind of a video. Because I remember seeing a video where like a guy was like showing off tricks on the bike and then like the handlebars came off and he was like, fuck, what can I do with this? And then he crashes into a car. I remember seeing a video like that. It seems to be a very non-unique thing. It seems to be a very. I remember seeing a video like that. I think actually that was part of the trick where he was like taking off his handlebar and then like he just wasn't looking, so he kind of like run into it. So label for card name. That's this one. Card holder name, span, area hidden true. So this one. Okay. Label input required type. That means it's important. It's text, label ID, card name, and then afterwards just a text that's attached directly to this. It's supposed to be explained that expiry date. I mean, we did everything as they asked for us, but it doesn't exactly look the same. Oh, they also added the input type place, like the input type button here. So I assume it's here. Oop. But actually about like the Germans and grammaticism. I don't know if I talked about this. Like recently, like within this month, I bought a freezer from a guy for like 9 euro. Okay, functions great. It's more quiet than the mini fridge that I had before. Well, I mean, I still have it, but like, it's more quiet because I have to like turn off the mini fridge during the night to like sleep. But like the freezer on the other hand, is super quiet. But as I was like buying it, I like the old guy came out and he was like, "Hey, are you here because of this like ad?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, ich komme hier für die Kühlschrank." And he was like, "Oh no, it's not the Kühlschrank. It's and then he like corrected my fucking grammar to like essentially be like, so like uploading fridge in German, because he was like, there is two types of fridges, right? There is what the fuck? This one, Kultuche. So he was like, no, it's not Kühlschrank. It's a cool. No, I wasn't saying Kühlschrank. I was saying Gefrierschrank because it's a freezer. But he was like Gefriertruhe, which like means freezer cooler, but it refers specifically to a top loading, so you can like open the top. And I was like, oh, that's cool. But isn't the one I'm coming here for like the door opens sideways, not like top? And he's like, oh yeah, I guess it is Gefrierschrank. And I'm like, why were you corrected me? Why were you corrected me for the German that I was correct on? Like that pissed me off. I genuinely was like, dude, old man, come on. I guess it's your language and you're trying to educate me, but like at least educate me on like the right thing. It's fucking insane. You should have a main element. Okay. Body. Main emoji should have an H1 element. H1 nerd emoji. Here's the thing. I feel like a lot of Germans are very nerdish about this. They're very peculiar about being like very to the point and also being not funny. And I think it's cultural thing because I'm actually it's top loader and not a Gefrierschrank. Yeah. But like I remember when I was working in Amazon, like I was making a joke with my supervisor because like my card wasn't working to like log in my hours. And like I was making the joke like, oh, is this how you like subtly tell me that I'm fired? And he had the most serious face on face, and he was like, Cult of the Lamb again. It's funny. William, Cult of the Lamb, Friday, Saturday. I'm sorry, you have to deal with me learning a fucking coding, okay, programming. I mean, below each one element you should have an image element, image, source, Um, describing all text, obviously. What do you mean you're not me, William? Um, P element, can you brief description? I am playing Cult right now. Oh, playing Cult of Lamb. Sorry, I didn't see it. Za art I art Zao. Damn. You know that Zao in medieval English was actually an informal speech? Like Z and Zao was informal and you was like a formal like formal speech. So like in ye olden language, so in ye olden language, English, you like the king, you would be saying, "Your Majesty the king, you the king, ye king." But Zhao, yeah, but Zhao would be like, "Oh, Zhao Maiden is a slut," you know, like your girl's is a slut. It's like the best way to explain it is because like German, French, and a bunch of other languages have it, but English somehow doesn't anymore. In German, you can say "du," which is in the formal like "you," but like a formal is the ones that you use for a group or a person of status, somebody you're unfamiliar with, is Z. Okay, so Z is like if I'm speaking to a boss, how are you trying to be like respectful? I say like like what do I say? I don't know. I'm not usually talking to anybody, but um, so like V biz do is like how are you doing, but like it's informal. But V biz no, is it Vibist Z? Like if it like it's not bist, right? Uh Conjugation of bist in German. Ich bin sie ist. Oh yeah, yeah. Wer ist du? Wer ist die? Wer ist die? Like how are you essentially? Within sie. Within sie for formal use. There it is. Fuck. I was wrong. Yeah. I was right in the fact that I said something wrong. I was wrong in the fact that I didn't realize what I was wrong about. Wizinzi. So like, how are you? Well, but like formal to a boss instead of like a casual coworker. It is weird that it was bothering me in English when I was just learning it as a kid because essentially I always felt so impolite when I was speaking to somebody because I in Ukrainian I would often be using like a formal speech to people, and then like in English it's always you. It's always you. There is no formal you, and it pisses me off. Why can't I be? Why can't I be polite in English, bitch? You should have a P element containing a brief movie description. You should have another P element. Okay. Um, a B element with a text movie rating. Wait. Within it, you should have these items listed in order. Okay. B movie rating. Um, a span element. Span area hidden equals true. If even if you don't add true, it's gonna be automatically true. So it's not gonna be false. Is the ones that False is the ones that cancels it out. Visual representation of rating using stars. Okay. Numerical value representing rating in parentheses after a span. Would be another span? I don't know. Oh. Can I see an example? Is this shit AI? No, right? Movie rating, cast members. Okay, fuck it. Gonna deal with it in a minute. You should have an H2 element. H2. Cast members. Cast members. You should have an UL element. UL is a unordered list. Inside UL element, you should have a list item containing a B element for actor's name followed by corresponding character preceded by text S. Wait, what? I have no idea what that means. BS, whatever. But it's multiple names, I assume. And then you also need to close the unordered list. Okay, first we're gonna put the greater sign. I don't know what it goes. Am I wrong? I don't remember what the fuck B stands for. Oh, B for bolt. B. But what is S? ES. AS. I mean, character name preceded by text AS. Movie rating capital. This columns for okay. Span. Also need to close span because I forgot to need to close this shit. Area hidden true. Is this like a actual letters? Oh shit, it is. Wow. Cool. Is this in bold or how did you encase stuff in bold before? Because B is supposed to be for bold, right? Is it bold? I don't think so. Yeah, let's see. Here's the main element. We do have it. Oh fuck! I forgot to actually encase the stuff. Image. You know, I've been recently getting a lot of clips of TV show called Mr. In Between. Have anybody heard of that? It's like this Australian, I think Australian, production of like he's like a gangster, I guess. And one of them, the main character is like um beats up like guys, and that like gets him to I think it's AI. Hold up. Um AI slop. Um I mean, why does he have two guitars here, you know? Right? Maybe it's not AI, but so he beats up to like two guys, which lands him in like anger management class. Um and in that scene, he talks about how like, oh, he like beat up guys because they were like mean to his daughter or something, like I'm like the rude to his daughter or something, and he essentially decides that this is enough of an offense to beat up these people, um which which in turn landed him into this thing. uh Sentence rating in parentheses. um and as he's talking uh, about what landed him in the anger management classes, other members are like, oh well, I'm here because I beat the fuck out of my wife, and the other guy is like, oh, I'm here because I beat the fuck out of my kids and my wife. And, and the main character is like, the fuck? And and then they're like, what's the problem? And then he's like, well, I'm here because I beat up men, right? I'm here because I was fighting grown men, not my wife and child. I don't think I'm supposed to be in this group. And then, turns out they didn't like that. But also, I kind of like, I kind of can relate. Like if I can imagine myself being in an anger management class purely because sometimes I do get angry. I do be getting angry, and because of that, I kind of like if I was there because I like fought fought a guy, and then next to me was a wife beater Johnny and child puncher Dave. I would kind of be like, yo, I think I'm in the wrong group. Um, making something bold in HTML. Oh, is it just B but with the thing? Gotcha. The pressure on the fucking thing. We're only so much. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I would be so fucking pissed off if I got like next to a child beater mic because I beat up like a grown adult and this man is beating up a child. I would be like, yo, I think we're here for like different reasons. I guess that you're angry too, but like you beat up children, man. Like not exactly something to be proud of. The main element should have an H1. It does have an H1. I just didn't put like title. Okay, give me a title. What movie review Rise Beyond? Here it is. Below each one, you should have an image with. It does have it. You didn't give me like an actual description, so I put the alt description. It does have it. Image source. Here's an image. Here's an alt text. What the fuck do you want? Below an H1 element. It's right below an H1 element. What? I literally got everything right with the image thing, I think. Image doesn't need to be closed, right? Nope. That wasn't the issue. What's the issue with the image? Rise Beyond 2. Hey, is it the real thing? Fuck. Rise Beyond 2? Gotta be fake, right? Wait, what? Oh, it's like a short movie. No, this can't be it. What's wrong with the? Oh wait, fuck. Is this what's wrong? Ah, that was the problem. Okay, now I see it. Just have a P element after the image contains a movie description. Something rising. All right, and it ain't my P. It's always childish humor, you know. So sometimes you gotta be. Yeah. Span element inside a rating paragraph should have 10 stars, either filled in or empty, followed by numerical value of parentless after the span. What? Numerical value of parentless. Numerical value in parentheses. Hey, it's not parentheses, right? Yeah. The question is, this the right way to make parentheses, or is it? Okay, they clearly want parentheses different way. Gotcha. Wait, after the span. Oh, wait. Yep. Okay, good. Array hidden attribute to true is. Oh no, wait. Is array hidden? No, it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like this. Area hidden equals true. Inside the rating paragraph should have an area. Yeah. Yeah, it does. No paragraphs. There was some right. Something rising and heat might be. Yeah, I forgot this is gonna be visible on the fucking website. But hold up. Why anything wrong with the area hidden one? Should be right. Area hidden equals true. The span element inside the rating paragraph should have area. Yeah. So all should be correct. I didn't misspell true. Oh, hidden. I misspelled hidden. Okay. I was sure I was gonna copy and paste hidden, so I don't know how I misspelled that. Each contain a B element for actor name followed by corresponding character name preceded by text S. Oh, that's what they meant? I don't know. Dwayne The Rock as left shoe. I spelled Dwayne, I'm pretty sure. Um Chris Chris Evans as wait. Corresponding character name precede wait. Oh, okay. But I'm just gonna finish as sex doll and what the fuck his name? I'm thinking about Jack Black. That's the name I was thinking about. Jack Black as murder victim 5. Yeah, I think this is how they wanted me to do it. Cinema, we done. Hmm. Oh, I'm just thinking about like if I wanted to make a website, what website would I fucking make? Review. Wait, it's a review, right? Proper heading level structure. You should use proper heading levels, create logical structure. Um, table head, table data, with caption element, write caption or title. You should place caption element immediately after opening tag on the of the table. This way, screen readers, assistive technologies caption before reading the content. Importance for inputs to have associated labels. You should have label elements to associate labels with from input, span, ID, alt text. Warrant of good links, best practice for making audio and video content accessible. Table index, table index. Okay. Sorry, there was an error with your submission. Access key attribution. Yeah, the uses one. Vira roles. Roll tab, roll menu, roll alert, dialog, button, area hidden, area described by. Yeah, it links. It links. Area hidden, use hidden element from assistive technologies. Yeah, so they don't read the. So in the previous one, so they didn't read the like what's it called, didn't read like certain phrases like the description of what the like the description of what your fucking passcode was supposed to be, or didn't read the um didn't read the fucking star. Instead just read like the rating 9.2 out of 10. Fast solid Fagir. What? Oh yeah, so it doesn't read the gear part. Okay. Already described by password help. Submit. I did review it. Now it's quiz time. Quiz, baby. What is accessibility? Accessibility is a set of standardized practices that enhances the speed. Oh, hold on. When I begin, too dark. Turn on the lights. It's actually been raining today the whole day, so it was nice and cool inside of my room. It's pretty cool. What is accessibility? Accessibility is set standardized practice that enhances speed performance for your web application. Accessibility is a set of standardized practices to ensure your web pages can be used by everyone, including those with disabilities. Yay! Good example of proper heading structure. H1, H2 is running. Yeah, kind of. Oh, also on the what? I don't even need to like explain why it's bad. Fine, horrendous. What are the 6 main categories of area roles? Um, window, alert, dialogue, article, cell, banner, button. Did they fucking tell us this? Blender, window, abstract, widget, live region. I think it's this one. What is the correct way to add alt attribute to the image? What does VIRAS stand for? Website Accessible Initiative, Accessible Rust Internet Application, Accessible Ready Internet Application, Anchor Rich Internet Application. Yeah, it sucks that it's an acronym. I get what it's used for. It's supposed to be like a help assistance tools that helps you figure out whether your thing is accessible or not. I'm just gonna oh, it was already good. Accessible rich internet application. Okay. Hmm. Can you imagine I cheated on that and still failed it? Jesus Christ. What's the role for IRA hidden attribute? This attribute is used to hide element from assistive technologies. Yes. Which attribute makes elements focusable and defines the relative order in which they are navigated and used in keyboard? Tab index. Why is why is it good practice to include the caption element inside the HTML table? It's helpful for users to quickly understand the and enhances table appearance. It allows users to use sort helps improve table responsiveness on mobile. No, wait, what? I think in this one or this one, but like I was expecting it to be assistive technology related, not this. Okay. What's the difference between attributes area label and area labeled by? Area attribute allows you to give an element accessible name by referencing an existing element. Yes. On the page, area label attribute allows you to define a name within attribute itself. Yes. Area labeled by attribute keep labels undefined. No. Attribute is used to call no. Okay. You have all of these explanations. This one's the most clear one. And tell me, guess which one is correct, bro. Which of the following attributes provides additional information about the elements? to screen reader users by referencing existing content on the page. Area described? No. Yeah. No, area described by. Right? Yeah. Which of the following attributes is used to define keyboard shortcut for elements? Access key. Which of the following examples is correct way to associate label with input element? Label for name, your name, label, input type, text, ID, name. Yeah. How does the screen magnifier help visually impaired users navigate web pages? Screen magnifier automatically adjusts call. No. Never sticks to no. Screen magnifier will enlarge only image. No. Web page by prolonging them zoom in and out. Yes. Which of the following is a correct use of area described by to provide more context about button actions? Oh. Button ID, delete button, area described by delete button, delete button. That's wrong. No. It's supposed to be backwards. You haven't back. Here it is. Button area described by delete message. ID delete message area described by delete message area described by no, not this one. ID delete message. Yeah, I think it, pretty sure it's this one. What is the difference between VCOG and VAI? Provides general guideline for mobile. Uh, Offers specific rules for making dynamic interactive content accessible for users of assistive technologies. Provides general guideline for web accessibility while offers specific rules for making dynamic and interactive content accessible for users in assistive technologies. General guidelines for mobiles only. Provide general guidelines for web page accessibility while offer specific rules for making dynamic interactive content accessible for users of assistive technology. I think it's this one. Which of the following is a common use case for using area hidden attribute? Icons, images that only have decorative purpose, form, and tables that don't contain important information, paragraphs, links, and images that only have decorative purpose. Not links. I think it's definitely images. Icons, I mean. What's the purpose of the role attribute? To define visual appearance of HTML element. To add label to form elements, allowing assistive technologies to better understand how element should be interpreted as interacted with. To specify type and purpose of the element, allowing assistive technologies to better understand the element should be interpreted and interacted with. Yeah. Why is it important to use descriptive link text for links? To ensure link loads faster, to make link text stand out, to ensure that everyone, including users, understands the purpose of the link. Which of the following is the best practice for making audio and video content accessible, providing high quality graphics to accompany audio, video content to make it accessible, providing captions and transcripts for audio. Using bright colors, limiting links. A blind motherfucker gonna appreciate you add in extra colors. Behind web content accessibility guideline. Persistent, operable, receivable, operable, understandable, robust. Yes. Yo, 100%. Let's go. Holy shit. Bro, this is the first time I did 100% on the quiz. Oh, fuck. It's not 100%? It allows users to easily filter table data. Helps users to quickly understand the table and purpose of and the content. Okay, well, guess I was wrong. Not 100%. No, wait. How is it 100% and not at the same time? It's just correct. Oh, this one is correct and this one is incorrect. I was, yeah. Well, so I was wrong on one, and I was also wrong on the second one. What are the six main categories? Document, structure, landmark, window, abstract widget, and live region. Okay, so it's 18 out of 20. Okay, my bad. I thought it was 100%, 100%, not like 18 out of 20 is the best we can ask. Uh, it kind of dampens it down a little bit, but like still pretty good. Wait, what? Did we skip a thing? Oh, uh, why is there this one skipped? Um, build an app that is functionally similar to this example. It's not really an app, a website, but so. In the prior lessons, you were introduced to working with audio and video elements. In this lab, you will build in multimedia players that will display an audio track and video with track. For audio element, you will need to include a source element. Audio, wait, fuck. I was doing it in between. Audio, source. Yeah, you should have an H1 element. H1. H1. You should have 3 section element. Section. Section. You have an H2 element for the title of the song playing. H2. Below H2 element, you should have an audio element with controls attribute and area label attribute. Below H2. Audio controls and area label. Inside the audio element, you should have source element, yes. Attribute pointing to the audio file and type. You are free to use this audio link. Source is right here. Inside the second section element, you should have an H2 element. H2. H2. For the title of the video playing, below H2 element, you should have video element. Video source equals with controls, width, and area label. Inside the video element source, video file, and the type attribute. Type. Okay. Before this, below the source element, you should have a track element with a source attributing pointing to substitute file, subtitle files, and wait. Okay. Good. Wait, below source element? Oh, okay. Video source. So that means that there's gonna be another video here, I think. Um, oh, wrong thing. Oh, fuck, I did it before the type. Um, section element, you should have an H, wait, source element, you should have a track, um, with a source attribute pointing towards subtitles, file, and kind attribute. Kind. Wait. If you do this, where is songs playing in there then? Do, 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 do. Uh, um, kind attribute and CRC language attribute and label attribute. CRC, CRC lang, and then label. Inside the third section element, you should have H2. Um, below H2 element, you should have a paragraph. Okay, now we're gonna be closing this thing. Also, we gotta delete this. You know, one thing I was thinking about is that like today, a message from Tinder, which is always a pleasure, but the message was somebody swiped right on you. Check out who it is, which usually means give us money for you for Tinder Gold, which is never gonna happen. Um, but but what I was gonna say is that that's never gonna happen. I'm not the kind of guy. But the what I did is that I did the like oh, it's fucking huge. What the fuck? I did like the free ad, and I watched some stupid one of their ads, and then I swiped for literally like three swipes, and I see a guy in Poland, and I was like, ah, I see, what kind of situation it is. I actually filmed it, uh, to show my friend the kind of bullshit I have to deal from Tinder, like that. It's always some gay guy who labels himself woman on the dating profile, and then in their profile is gonna be like looking for straight guys to suck off, and it's like if they're gonna say yes, they're not straight. That's not how it works. You stupid bastard. Like I even during the film I even like went to my settings to be like, bro, it's not like I have like some like setting of like, you know, women and other, you know, or something like that. So it kind of can like get confused. No, it's a guy who labeled himself as a woman, but he's not like trans, you know. No, he's like a gay guy who seeks straight men, and he doesn't understand how it works. I guess nobody explained to him birds of the bees yet. Um, and it always pisses me off because I genuinely don't understand. You know, like like why the fuck do they do it? I actually like usually whenever I get a like that. Well, number one, like just to confirm it's him, I swiped right, and guess what? We matched immediately, so I blocked him. But I usually do that anyway because usually when if you're swiping if I was to swipe left, Tinder would for the rest of the time be like, hey, do you want to see who liked you? Do you want to see your user likes, and like buy Tinder Gold and you can see all of the people who like you. So instead of having like 19 hidden likes and it's all guys, I have like one hidden like so that I don't know who I swipe left on. I have like one hidden like, and like the rest, and like all of these like gay guys, I just like I mad them and I like block them immediately because it's like, what do you expect? Genuinely, I cannot imagine it actually ever working out. One time I didn't block a guy in time, and he actually did send me like a hey, you know, like, and like he was some like fucking on some alpha male grind shit or something because he like all these pictures were like in like limousines and like was fucking was like showing up watches and shit. I was like, that's a weird signals you're sending, okay? Like, um, okay, let's see. Now to confirm, we have H1, we have 3 section elements. We have H2 element for the title of song playing. Below H2 element, you should have audio. Wait. One element. Just. Okay, nice. Your audio element should have an area label attribute with a text describing the audio. Okay. What was the description of the audio? Area label equals what is the audio? Sailing away, I guess. I don't know what the fuck you want from me. Um, that does work. Okay. What the text describe in the audio? What do you want me to describe it as? Oh fuck! I was in video anyway. That actually explains more why it didn't work. Equals sailing away. Your audio element should have source element. Yeah. Does it not? Oh, you want like a separate source section. Okay. I think. The element, audio element should the source element. Source element should have CRC attribute point to an audio file. Does that work? No, that doesn't work. No, it does point to the audio. Ah, fuck, it's on. Yeah, my bad. Okay, type of audio. Wait, well, what? Oh, type MP4. MP4, MP3. Fuck. But okay. The video should have a controls attribute. It does not? It does. Oh, it's probably not in source. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Widths 15? 12? Oh, fuck, that's too much. That's just. Give me 100. Yeah, give me a 500. That's good enough. Yeah. Type MP. This one is MP4 actually. MP4. We have a kind attribute with a text describing what kind is the kind of file. What the fuck is it? Oh, okay. I see now. Yeah, kind is the same as type, so it's VTT. Yeah. Rely address with text describing the language of the subtitles. Ian. For English. Track label attribute with text describing language of wait. I what? Also Ian? No. What? Oh, I misspelled the label. My bad. Okay. And mistakes were pretty small, and I kind of get what I did wrong. Do you get what I did wrong? Can you point out my mistakes? HTML review. Entirety of HTML. I don't want to read it all. I mean, it's gonna be useful for it's gonna be useful for the what's called um or if I want to review it all. It is just this kind of test. Okay, I see now. I Okay, can we do the quiz immediately? Okay. What part I'm gonna figure out if I'm actually knowledgeable. What part of computer is used to connect other internal components together? Motherboard. What are browser developer tools? Wait, one for block. Wait, browser developer tools for it in browser settings and managing user profile. Software for managing browser extension and plugins. Built-in features in browser that helps developers debug and inspect the website. Um, which of the phone ISP connections are typically the fastest? Fiber optic. Um, which of the following is not a safe practice when signing in? Using passwords based on personal information like your birthday. Making long complex passwords. Setting two factor. Which of the following is not a web browser? Google Drive. But honestly, who uses Microsoft Edge? Straight up. Uh, when you need to edit a piece of code, which of the following are the most likely going to use? Uh, Visual Studio Code? Which of the following is used primarily for managing files stored on local hard drive? Windows File Explorer. All of these are external. Very funny. What is not a good practice when making name files? Put in version number at the end of a document, like using non-descriptive names like file txt. Yeah. But who can resist the urge to just name it file.txt? The fuck am I? Hmm. Using consistent casing styles, put an underscore or hyphen between the words. What does the term domain name refer? Domain expansion name, you know, and like you summon infinite void and like George Ryan. The physical location of a web server in this actually hold up, domain name, location of a web server in data center. None of the other choices. Brilliant. The address used to identify website on the internet. Type of software that managed. Which of the following is a way to send file to recycling bin trash? Backspace, keyboard, key on the keyboard, delete, move to trash option. All the other choices, moving it to an archived folder. Yeah. What's RAM? Component in the computer responsible for generating temporary memory for fast data access by processor. What file type will be best used for writing a README file? .txt? Which none of these, by the way. PHP, I guess? Probably. Um, Unless I'm wrong. What is PHP file type? P? Show me an image. PHP might be not a good one. Well, as option JSON and MD. Dot MD file. I guess it is .md. What is the integrated development environment IDE? Yeah. What is integrated type of hardware device used to test and debug in electronic circuits? Yeah, lamb, lamb, baby. Platform designed to deploy host and web service, web application, console system that helps developer track changes in the source code during software development. I actually don't know. Integrate develop, um, programs integrates tools for writing the backend running code to electronic circuits. Probably is this one. What is a piece of device, a piece of software that allows you to look at online content called um wait, yeah. Was a piece of software that lists web pages related to users query code. Um I feel like it's gonna be one of Jesus Christ. Can be. Can be a new information to me. Web browser. Wait, was that right? Yeah. What is a set of one or more web pages under one domain called the domain name called um one or more web pages under hyperlink website? Yes. To search for an exact phrase, what should you enclose your wait? Yeah. To search for an exact phrase, what should you enclose your search query with? Um, like a parentheses. Like, no, isn't it like what do you call this symbol? I guess. What? That's not. That was the question. Symbol name. Asterisk. That could be probably could be wrong. Um, making sure you get exactly what you typed showed in result. Quotation marks, huh? Which is not a way to install web browser. Isn't package manager, press the network internet button in settings, directly downloading from a website. Wait, use an app store like Microsoft Store. I think it's this one. Which of the following format does not preserve image quality after compression? Uh, is it PNG? No, 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 JPEG, right? Uh, does JPEG support compression? What are the choices there? PNG and SVG. PNG has to, right? Okay, then why do you say yes? Because it's like yes, but then like lossy, and I was like, is that right? I feel like this is not. Oh, because I just said like which one supports and not. Okay, fine. Which of the following parts is located in a socket on a motherboard? What? CPU? I mean, well, hard drive isn't unless you have a laptop. Then a hard drive is quite literally located in a socket in the motherboard. Yeah, I'm finished. It's like 20 out of 20. Yep, one is correct. Web browser. Okay. Another one. Platform design, developing web pages. Okay. I actually never heard of that one before, so. Like, I didn't even study, just. Flawless victory. Cool. Just immediately skipped. To be fair, it's all theory and it's computer basics. Can't imagine browsing web effectively. What are some of the common web browser available today? What's different between web browser, website, or search engine? How to use search engine effectively to achieve optimal results? Um, type Reddit or type before 2018, so you don't get AI answers. How can you use file management applications? Best practice for naming files, file order. No, no, no. Damn, like if I have kids, this is the shit I'm gonna like teach them for real. So they don't end up like me naming files, just fucking um men no pants point one. What are basic parts? Point one is purely because there was already another man no pain no pants, so I have to kind of use another one. What are basic parts of a computer? How can you effectively work with keyboard, mouse, and other pointing devices? Hmm. Damn, it's animation. I didn't feel like starting a whole new thing. It's gonna be awesome to learn all this, but I feel like it's gonna be for later. Chinese certification. What is Rosetta code? Solving skills with this free program task. Rosetta code library. 100 doors, 24 game. 9 billion names of God integer. That's crazy. For later for sure. Pronouncing search to C hashtag program. What is this? C sharp, yeah, yeah. Is a more open source, cross platform, and object oriented programming language developed by Microsoft as a part of .NET ecosystem. First, literally, um, design combines performance power of C and C++ with simplicity of Java and Visual Basics. Featuring static typing, strong type safety, and syntax familiar. Okay. Can I actually learn C plus on this website? Oh, C plus plus? Hmm. Wait, coding an audio plugin? That's fucking awesome. Animated introductions to programming C++, how to run CQL queries, atomic and consequence of C++. Hmm. Because after we learn JavaScript or Python, I don't know. Anyway, you know what now a good time for? Uh, now we're gonna be ending the. Oh, fuck. I shouldn't have closed it. Um, restore the windows. Leave. Now close it all. Okay. Now is a good time for some Marvel Rivals. Now we're gonna play a little bit of Marvel Rivals, okay? Because we've been a brave boy. Well, I was a brave boy, and we've finished HTML certification. And after we're after like a couple of games, we're gonna be wrapping up today. Next week we're probably gonna be starting CSS. Is there a new update in Team Fortress? I just get recommended fucking Team Fortress on the. No, it's just recommend to me. Why does they recommend Team Fortress? I already have it in my library. I played it, you know. And we're gonna play just a little, just a smidge of Marvel Rivals. Just a little bit, you know. Just a little bit of fun in Marvel Rivals. And then we're wrapping up for today. Tomorrow it would be Shifu, then Shifu again, then Doom Dark Ages. Then it's gonna be do I have anything wrong? No. Then after Doom Dark Ages, it's gonna be well, it's gonna be Doom Dark Ages for 2 days, and then gonna be Cult of the Lamb on Friday, Saturday, and then next week we're coming back to programming Sundays, but we're starting CSS, which will be fine, right? I know. No, taking a while to load. Please be a good game. X Powder. Love our boy. A ravenous rodent. Fishing expert. Fish love him, women fear him. I like the fact that they have like Jeff the Land Shark and the Devil Dinosaur in onesies of each other. They're so cute. It's unbelievable. I just want to have a good game of Marvel Rivals. So because of that, we're banning the black guy. Wakanda. Sorry, Wakanda is not forever. It's actually gone. Bye bye. Bye bye. A lot of people ban Black Panther because he's busted character. I ban him because he's black. Okay, we're not the same. Ban Venom. Dompa Lover. Dompa? No, Rocket! My team up, no! Rocket Raccoon team up is fucking awesome, actually. I mean, in general, the new season of Marvel Rivals really made Penny so fucking busted, it's unbelievable. But even besides her being extremely busted, they banned the legend Jeff the Land Shark. Wow. Beyond Penny being extremely busted in the new season, this guy just wants to be in like every character that this guy plays, because he first picked Rocket, then he picked Invisible Woman after like Rocket got banned. Are you fucking for real? Let's pick another character. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. But like the new upgrade system is so fucking good. Also, here's the thing. There have been people who've been complaining about the reworks of Black Widow, and I don't agree with them. Because, well, I mean, I easy to lose. Wow, that's interesting. Immediately from the start. Trash team. Damn, he's just getting in our head. I've seen this tactic before.
What is it that you teach exactly?
I've seen this tactic before, you know. You cannot fool me.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think I'll just skip to math class. Here comes
Oh, fucking Groot. Wait, do we have a second tank, by the way? Yeah, only fucking Wolverine out here. Jeff Raccoon is so crazy. Oh fuck, they have Wolverine. I did not expect the Wolverine out of nowhere. Oh, we have the... What's his name? We have the Devil Dino. Nice.
That doesn't count.
Oh, he's late. He's late to the party. He's starting. What I was gonna say is that the rework on what fuck her name, Natasha Romanoff, the fucking Black Widow, was very much needed. Okay, because nobody fucking like very few people played her. People played her less than fucking what's his name. People played her less than they played Spider-Man. And Spider-Man was a fucking throw pick for most people. Like I was seeing Spider-Man and I was praying he was on my team. Oh shit, did she die in the fucking nest? Awesome. That was far away. Stay away, stay away. I'm locked and loaded, bitch. Oh no, I know, I'm gonna get shredded. I'm gonna get shredded. Please heal me. Fuck. Can't play tank, GG. Are they talking about me? Fuck you. Fuck you, buddy. I forgot to unlock the fucking what's the name? The little fucking feather I have. Oh no, stay away. Oh, she did the ult? Are you stupid? I mean, okay, it's fine. You're trying to survive. I'm not gonna take it against you. I can kind of position it a little bit more here. Oh no. No. No, fuck off. Fuck off. I'm calling my mom. I'm calling my mom. Mama. Fuck you, buddy. Zero heal. It's always I love the complaints. I love the complaints. It's zero heals. Also, like, by the way, he was complaining from the beginning of the game, quite literally. Like, literally from the start. This man would not shut the fuck up. Ah, fuck. Oh no! She did get it. She did get got, bitch. I was like, oh no! I like they popped all my fucking what's the name? They popped all my mines. Oh no! She got fucking frozen. Wanda ults are so unfortunate because I rarely see them succeed. You really, like, as a Wanda, you need to make sure to set your fucking sights a little bit low. Like you need to like kind of like
You know what to do.
look into the future and kind of believe that you might one day kill like 2 people. Yo, check this out, big boy. Oop. Oh, are you fucking what? What's the plan there? Back up. Are you fucking for real? Yo, please tell me that White Fox died. Oh.
Again!
He's fucking lurking. He was lurking. What the fuck? He was lurking. What the fuck was that? Oh, dog. He was ready. Oh, what a lurk.
Only 60 seconds left. Systems restoring. This is gonna hurt.
And he's getting out healed compared to me. Wait, how did I even get like pushed that far? What the fuck was that? Excuse me? What the fuck was that slam? That's fucking insane. Excuse me?
Now might be a good time to stop them.
That was a crazy because he slammed me to the ground and then Baki also pushed me. That was insane. Uh-oh. Also, by the way, I've noticed with Jubilee players now, they're very eager to just die. Like as soon as they get their ult, they think they're invincible. They're not invincible. I seen them die so often because they just rushed in into the back line because they think their ult gonna save them. Fucking crazy, actually. Crazy how that's actually not true. I'm pretty sure their ult is like more squishy than like bunch of other ults. Bro, this man is like trash heal, but like then they kind of win. They kind of win.
I am ready to put on a show.
Judge, jury, executioner!
Oh, fuck off. Back off, bitch. Back off, bitch. Fuck.
Down to 30 seconds. Just needed a few repairs.
I know which one they're talking about.
Don't give them another inch. I'm counting on you, friends. Check out these guys. Stop that vehicle.
Oh, I'm gonna stop it. Bro, now's an optimal ult, by the way, Hex. Did she fucking listen to me?
Double KO.
Back off, idiot. I know where he is, but
Current score is 0-2.
damn, our Scarlet Witch ain't doing damage. I'm not gonna lie. She needs to put some fucking boots to the heel. Run doing his job, go surrender trash, Punisher div, what else? Blow hard.
Fight that my father began. I hope
The higher the pressure, the
Okay,
more
can I
dazzling the
take her?
diamond.
Can I take the okay?
You picked the right gal for the job, sugar.
The higher the pressure,
Thank you.
the more dazzling the diamond.
What else? Blowing hard. This room trash. Bro, check the stats. There might be something odd between the healers. 6-9. Let's go, baby. But wait, which one was complaining about the healers?
get ready.
No, it was Mitko, right?
Do you have a problem with me?
Oh, he's 16-7. Could be better.
Years of
but he's not 6'9". Even so, 6'9", I'm pretty sure he's their tank. Like, I don't know where he is.
That blood is not on my hands.
And yet there you are, bathed in red.
It always is
Battle
XZ.
starts in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I never blame the healers. Healers are just doing their job. They're doing their best.
By happiness, but I can afford everything else. What's up, bad guy? Can someone exterminate these robotic pests?
You fucking stupid bitch. Why did you get out of the nest, you stupid fucking idiot? Why did you get out of the fucking nest, you fucking stupid idiot? Unbelievable. Not only you let me fucking destroy one of your nests, but then you get out of the fucking nest. You were outside of its reach, you stupid fucking bitch. Do they have fucking 3 tanks on their team? Bro, it's not working. Wait, hold up. It is working. Okay. I do hate Wolverine. That fucking unwashed barbarian, okay?
I understand their hesitation.
That man hasn't washed since World War II. And the wash during World War II was just a nuclear explosion. Oh fuck, I shouldn't have jumped him. I shouldn't have jumped. I was kind of aiming a different location.
Anything could hurt me.
Yeah, Scarlet Witch is doing her job. She's doing pretty well. Oh, you're not even connecting the land bridges. Bro, Apo is getting fucking shredded. I'm not gonna lie. They really are not keep killing my boy. And he's fucking good. It's hard to miss. Oh, kill this unwashed man. Man with unwashed ass.
Heads up, hostiles.
Wolverine doesn't wipe. He just lets it thrust. Okay.
Ready to put on a show.
He calls it the battle scaring. Did she actually manage to? She didn't manage to kill anybody. Wait, did I fucking exit the diamond form? When?
Only 60 seconds left.
This queen's reign isn't over.
Shall be your guardian angel.
Bro, you're
Get that vehicle moving again.
you're trash on fucking Widow. Why are you trash talking our healers?
I suppose that helps.
Yo, get smacked, bitch. Get smacked, bitch. Get smacked, bitch. If that damage group wasn't standing, we would kill this fucking penny. Ah, fuck.
Double kill.
We ain't teleporting in time. And nobody's gonna be on the point. Yep.
Part-time
Beautiful!
Final score,
I love it.
0-2-2.
I love it, baby. This is
Well,
here.
you can't expect to win 'em all.
Lucky Troll Jubilee only cares about dealing damage, not actually supporting thing. Okay, to be fair, wait, hold up. To be fair, that's 15,000 healing. That's not good. that's not. that's not good. I will avoid this one. But I'm also gonna avoid this guy. I don't like this guy. Because he's a gypsy. I don't like this man. Not because he's fresh to the game. But because he's picking a character that's supposed to be really easy and somehow still not doing any damage. Don't allow. I'm pretty sure we had this guy before. Just now. Beautiful.
Which hero do you think you want to be today?
Yeah,
I'm here to
obviously.
finish the fight that my father began. I hope I make him proud. Now, who am I gonna banish from this match?
Clyde and Bonnie. Okay. I assume because Bonnie and Clyde was already taken. Oh fuck. I cannot wait for when I'm gonna be next to my parents. I'm gonna click my wrist and they're gonna be very scared. Because my mom already doesn't like the fact that I'm clicking my like fingers in general. But like me clicking my entire wrist gonna freak her the fuck out. So it also kind of pisses me off. It's a very satisfying click, but it's like shouldn't be clicking, you know? No! No! Brady! No! How could you? Not the penny. No! No! The fact their healers were trash last game. Can't believe it. Because that Groot shouldn't have went down the way he was going down. Oof. I feel like they're gonna be
Team to win this one.
backline assaulted somehow. I'm not certain. I'm certain.
The higher the pressure, the more dazzling the diamond.
Thank you. I appreciate it when they give it up. Because I don't have any other tanks. I have like 2 tanks.
Bionic activity. A girl could practically feast
I have
on
2
it.
tanks, only one was them with shield.
30
Oh,
seconds
no,
before you
wait.
attack. Get ready.
Did this guy just go third healer?
You know my weapons
Are you fucking
can
kidding
still
me?
lock onto you, even
Damn.
when you're invisible.
I thought we were supposed to be on the same side, Frank.
We are.
I cannot believe how much ass they gave
in
this woman.
business, that
Fucking
can change in a
crazy.
heartbeat.
I'll be sure to remember that. And when it does, I'll be ready.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
It's also like when I'm looking at this skin, it is also crazy how muscular she is actually. She has like a very well defined muscles, which is also an insane thing. Oh no, get out. Not on my watch, you bitch. Come back, go back to the fucking moon girl. Oops. About to get shred. Let's get shred. Okay, good. Nope. You fucking stupid bitch. Are you serious? Ah, there's a pilot in our midst? Fuck you, Psylocke, okay? I know you were giving her fucking buffs. Better not see that shit again. Nice. You know, I prefer... I prefer to be on the push first round, because that means that like it kind of gives you like I don't know how else to describe it. It kind of gives you like a baseline, you know, Like if you push 0, it makes you fight so much harder for like when you're on 1, right? If you push like if you push all the way to the 3rd one, it makes the enemy so much more desperate to push beyond the push to the 3rd one and then some, you know. Oh. Oof. Wait, who was it? That was Widow? Oh yeah. Yeah, the Widow rework is crazy because I remember I was like Penny Parker and I think I was Alton, and then I was like, damn, that's a lot of like shots I'm taking. Okay, who's out here literally like shredding from me right now? And I was like, oh shit, that's fucking Widow. Stupid. Is it perfect precision from the enemy? Oh, what the fuck? He's all the way in our backline. That's not good. I'm all the way at the point. And I'm the only guy at the point. And I also survive it somehow. I cannot believe I survived that. I cannot believe I survived that encounter. That was fucking immortal Emma Frost. Just shred her, shred the bitch.
By the eye of Agamotto.
Huh, somehow it didn't work. Fuck you, you coming with me, you coming with me. Okay, it's fine. I was kinda afraid that like I'm gonna get the brunt of his ult. Did he just stop working for a second there? He just stopped.
Krakoa stands with Wakanda until the
He just
end
stopped
of the
functioning. I was like, I cannot do this.
You
Oh.
owe me one.
I just saw that fox and I was like, whoa. Fuck, she's there.
I suppose that helped.
Ah, that's not gonna help you, old man.
Now's the part where you thank me.
Now's the part where you fucking heal me. Fuck the Saints, give me a fucking health. Oh, my cutie little Jeff. Cutie patootie Jeff. You know, in the first meeting between Jeff and Emma in comics, she fucking said that she was gonna make a handbag out of him. What a cool bitch. How can you do it to such a cute little shark? Cute little boy. Come here. Nuh-uh. Does their mag not have an ult yet? You would think. You for real? What? Why is it different voice line? I can't believe that my second death.
This queen's reign
Ah.
isn't over.
I walked off.
Get that vehicle moving again!
So far, Punisher's dead there.
Only 60 seconds left.
Why is he always trying to?
If King T'Challa wants this,
Why is he always doing it at like this time?
yourself name or
Whenever I ult, he ults with me. Get his that he's my baby. Is that enemy fucking portal? Why the fuck would you portal now? I mean, specifically here. So close. Yo, clutch. Yo, Jeff. Better be fucking careful with that ult. Better be careful with that ult, my boy. My boyo?
Score is 3, 2.
Second
Zero.
tank, one death.
Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
the higher the pressure, the more dazzling the diamond.
I only have Emma. I don't know other fields.
So much psionic activity. A girl could practically feast on it.
Magneto, that's good. Thank you.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Let us show these
Buffy X
so-called
Slayer.
heroes what mutant kind is truly.
He's trying to do
We've done
the
this dance so many times.
double Magneto
It's
thing.
exhausting.
I suppose you'd
Thing
rather
is,
just
as close as
buy
you
a
get.
victory, Emma?
Wait, is that an
The
option?
battle starts in 5,
Go get my checkbook.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Is it timed?
A threat against Krakoa.
No, I fucking hate Scroll Girl, that bitch. Get her fucking ass out of here. Spider-Man? Are we fucking for real? Fucking 2 for 2 on the least wanted characters? The fuck? Did fucking missile damage? It didn't do much damage, but it was fucking insane. Ah, come here. Dumb bitch. I'm here. Your tits are silicone, mine's are all natural. Whoop. Nuh-uh. Alabama, bitch. Mutant fucking supremacy over here.
You owe me one.
Ah, here they are now.
I feel like I'm being watched. The light force is building.
Are you for real? Jesus. Two di- is that
Just
two
too bright
divers?
for you.
Jesus. Get some help. Bro. Are you fucking for real right now?
If we have to do that,
Wait, what? did he get killed by C and D? Oh god, you fucking moron. Jesus Christ. Oh. Get your ass in the hospital. Ooh. I got hurt more than I expected. Bro, can somebody deal with this fucking scroll girl? Jesus Christ. This stupid fucking bitch. Does she even damage anybody? Am I crazy, or she's like doing 0 damage? She only now got her ult. Do you know how quickly ult for fucking... No. No, not on my watch. You dumb fucking slut. Whoop. Nice.
I am ready to put on a show.
Bro, Spider-Man, are you for real right now? Stupid bitch.
With the amazing Spider-Man.
I can't believe that I actually killed somebody. Who did it kill?
I feel like I'm being watched. Only 60 seconds left.
Oh.
This deserves your attention. I was
Finally.
wrong, but thank you.
Put her out of her misery.
For this,
Call me the fucking vet the way I kill the scroll. Call me 2 big dicks the way I kill a scroll.
30 seconds.
Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Are they good? They're not good. Fuck. Wow, Buffy is on fucking
Nowhere yet. Going to
on
overtime.
Zenson. Okay, fuck you, Spider-Man. Come here. I'm gonna show you why Mary Jane doesn't fucking love you. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay. Spider-Man got me. Spider-Man got me. Jesus Christ. Jeff!
Better stop that
No!
vehicle.
Oh, my poor boy.
some rejuvenation would be nice.
Like
We have no
regroup.
choice. Fall back.
Jeff! My sweet little boy. I thought you were dead.
Feel the wrath of the
Oh, motherfucker. That's not good, yeah. I cannot really... I don't know what to do in this situation. They're pushing from both sides. Isn't really good.
Emma Frost never surrenders.
Now, I wish Penny was back.
There's still a
Where's
chance
Penny?
to stop them.
Where's Penny when you need her?
I am ready to put on a show.
Oh no, oh no. Damn.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
Damn, Clyde and Bonnie and an ult. They could have
All
done,
they
they
did
could have
was
done
make
something.
me angrier.
They could have done something very cool. Damn, how, what the fuck? How does it push that fucking... Why does it push that far? It's fucking stupid. You dumb bitch. Are you fucking for real? Fuck, wow, okay. Fuck you. Bastard. Wow. I fucking hate this. Oh, she interrupted my fucking ult.
By the eye of Agamotto. Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man.
Nobody's standing on the point. I think. Oh. Ah. I keep getting shredded. Oh fuck! And now we don't have the second tank.
Fast.
Don't give them another inch. Or else.
Everything was going very well. Fuck.
Only 60 seconds left.
Damn. We were doing very good up until
3.
the very last moment.
Time to switch things up.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about?
Including
We're a
your side
horrible fucking team. We're doing
You'll
our
need a
best,
top-notch
okay?
team to win this one.
The higher the pressure.
They grabbed the
more
momentum and they
dazzling the
really
talent.
grabbed it. Damn. So Punisher is catching strays and not in the way he likes, which is
A girl could practically feast on it.
he likes catching the stray too, you know, like and I'm not talking about
30
bullets.
seconds before you attack. Get ready.
He's like, come here, Fido. Come here, Fido.
Dagger.
No,
I
it's
feel like
Punisher,
you're a
so you look.
kindred spirit. You're a dancer, like me. Well, I dance ballet. Not really the same. But we both understand light and dark.
Oh,
how
I
they
hate this
move
voice line so
together,
much.
How they need each other.
Like she's like, oh, well, we both dance, and she's like, I'm a ballerina. It's not really the same. And she was like, we both understand the difference between light and dark. And it's like,
2.
what the fuck are you talking about? So great.
All you need to do is capture the mission area.
Get your ass out of here.
T'Challa built an empire. You can barely rule a single island. I was fine, but thank you.
I'm like walking in straight line, looking at them. I was trying to catch your what the fuck her name? Storm. So oh fuck. That didn't work. How am I the best one? I mean, I guess I was doing like a solo tanking for the most of the game,
The final 10
Magic and
seconds.
science.
but
This should be interesting.
even then,
No winner yet. Going to overtime.
Science and magic combined.
okay, nice, nice job, team. Oh.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Idiot. I cannot believe what he was trying to do. I can't imagine, really. Like, you're surrounded, you have nobody there. Why are you trying to grab me? In fact, use the fucking sink to dodge away. Oh, I got frozen. Fucking Scooby-Doo ass.
Feel the wrath of the goddess!
Nice. I don't care how much of an ult I had.
Current score
Okay.
is 4, 2, 3.
I don't care how much of an ult I had. I was gonna switch from fucking Strange. I'm not playing this bitch. Strange is a little weird for me, I'm not gonna lie. Strange is a little bit
The more dazzling
wacky,
the
I would
diamond.
say. This doctor is a little bit unorthodox. Ollie. Police. Take a tank. Let's go, baby. Must. Whoever he has the least KD And that's even compared to me.
Round 4.
And I'm a tank.
Activity.
Fucking crazy.
A girl could practically feast on it.
Damn Rogue. Oh fuck Rogue. I always think about Rogue, but like I was gonna say about Storm. I actually was watching video today about essentially Marvel Rivals black characters don't get enough skins. And then like the guy flashed like all the possible skins they could have had for Storm, and I was like, damn. How could you not give it to us, okay? I don't even fucking play Storm. This is the first time I've seen anybody play Storm. But
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3.
I mean, you gotta respect this fucking
You have to stop them
with
from securing the
weed,
mission.
okay? I'm on Doctor Doom shit.
In times like these, people
White oh, fuck, wait. Black woman is speaking. I sit down. I sit my white ass down and I listen and learn. Okay. I think she sometimes thinks that like mine are yours. Mine are hers. Come here, lava boy. Come here, lava boy. Whoop. Don't let me get shredded. Don't let me get shredded. Uh-oh. Second tank dive. All of their damage gonna be focused on me. Fuck. As it should be. I'm a fucking props. Quickly TP to the point.
I'm opening a portal.
We're not letting them capture.
A shortcut through space. I am strengthened.
Idiot. Come here. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Fuck.
By the shades of
The final 10 seconds.
so much
I'm sure they
psionic
can hold.
activity. A girl
They were
could
doing so good.
practically feast on
Everybody's alive. Except like I'm walking back to the
Nowhere
point.
yet. Going to overtime.
my way.
Is the storm now or something?
Feel the wrath of the
I'm not having fun time. Not having good time. Not having good time. Fuck. You're gonna need to fall back, yeah.
I will have my revenge for that.
It's fine. All we have to do is hold their point hostage.
You need to stop that vehicle
Like,
in its tracks.
Israelis hold Palestinian children hostage. They actually let their point kind of like wither out a little bit by themselves. Fucking crazy. Like they might just lose the point without us needing to help them. Fuck. Who did I kill? Luna Snow? Bro, what the fuck is Jeff doing? Jeff? Jeff? My pretty boy? Jeff? Jeff, my little sunshine.
Revenge for that.
My mommy's little precious thing.
Final score 4,
Fuck.
2, 5.
Report Corby. Or report our fucking Jeff.
Well, you can't expect to win them all.
Corby was doing good actually. Yeah. Good healing though. Damn. Damn how it didn't work out. This fucking winnable game. Hmm. losable as well. Okay, on this note, we are wrapping up. Tomorrow, Shifu. After tomorrow, Shifu as well. Then Doom Dark Ages. Fuck. Doom Dark Ages Revelations. Doom Dark Ages Revelation again. Then Cult of the Lamb. Then Cult of the Lamb again. And then we are back to programming Sundays. Also, we are wrapping up. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.